Hey, what is up guys, it's FZM here. It's nice to have you back, and it's time for something new here at the studio. Today I'm bringing to you a brand new camera comparison test between the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Now I've only made one other camera comparison test here at my channel, which I did when I started my channel just over a year ago. It was very successful and got great feedback, so I decided that since the channel is growing very well, it would be fantastic to reinitiate the camera comparison test series with all the hottest smartphones out right now. So with that being said, let's kick things off with a quick camera specification overview of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro has a dual camera setup co-engineered with Leica. It combines a 12 megapixel RGB lens with an aperture of f1.6 and optical image stabilization, with a 20 megapixel monochrome sensor with the same f1.6 aperture but no OIS. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 also has a dual camera setup. Both lenses are 12 megapixel with optical image stabilization. The primary lens has a f1.7 aperture and the secondary telephoto lens has an aperture of f2.4. So in this camera comparison video, I've put together a series of clips recorded in native 4K from both devices, which we'll be seeing side by side to inspect the differences. Also, the following is included in this test: camera stability tests, daylight footage photos and photos taken in lower light conditions, and finally photos taken up close to inspect the differences of each camera's attention to detail. So I'm only covering the main rear facing cameras in this test, but you guys can vote above or drop me a comment if you would like to see me also compare the front facing cameras too. My personal preferences when deciding between two devices relies heavily on the main camera and not so much on the selfie camera, hence why I haven't compared them here in this video, but that can change if you'd like, so have your vote now. Thank you. Right guys, let's get on with the show, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Little jogging test. So guys, let me hear your thoughts on this camera comparison matchup. Are you team Huawei or team Samsung? Which do you prefer and who do you think won? Place your vote in the poll above. So guys, I mentioned at the start of this video that I'm creating a brand new series of camera comparison tests, so your feedback is highly appreciated going forward. Drop me your comments below and continue to leave suggestions, as I'm always looking for new ways to improve my content. And with that being said, thank you for watching and showing your support. It truly means a lot at this stage, and if you really want to support the channel, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one.